Hello everybody, welcome back to Hands-on Learning. Now, we're gonna go back to learning katakana. I almost learned nothing, honestly, from the last video, so I'm going to be practicing probably off-screen. So this is just for your benefit to see what they look like, if you don't know what they look like and how they correlate to the hiragana. But other than that, I'm just gonna have to practice them on my own. Maybe I can show you guys. I don't know. I'll decide that in another video. But no, go back. Just in case you guys were wondering, I got this book from Barnes & Noble in the Japanese section. They have a section of languages. So, okay. Whew. There we go. Maybe this will help. Okay. So now you guys can see what I see. We're gonna write down U, Ku, Su, Tsu, 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 Nu, okay, here's something I might have made a mistake in my other video. Is here it said Tsu, 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 is an T-S-U, and last time I said that is two. So this may be Tsu, 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 Tsu. It's like you're saying T and S at the same time. So you may want to change that. But two and Tsu, Tsu, kind of sound similar, so it's not going to be very hard. There's Fu, oh, that's not what I wrote last time. There's Fu, Mu, Yu, and Du. Not sure if I went over that one, but that's okay. This is Du, D-U, or Ru. Yeah, I didn't go over this one. R-U. It's like there's a kangaroo right here, and then there's a little pouch right here. Is Ru, kangaroo. Okay, Ru, Ru, Du, Ru. Okay, and next we're doing E. And Ke. Let's see, Ke. Se. Te. Ne. He. Me. And Re. Okay. So U is ku, su, tsu, nu. Oh, this one is more like it's like a 7 is nu. Fu is the 7 without the line. Mu. 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 You. 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 Ru. Ru. E. E. So this is actually E is the I. It's I mean, sorry. Not E. If it was an I, it would be E, but this is E is all the way up here. So we're at My dog came in. Ke. Let's see. Se. Te is like the te, but it has a little line on top of it. Ne is a bit harder. He. Ne. Or he. Me. Re. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something, and I will see you next time. Good luck. Have a good day. Bye.